Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create anime style AI images in CapCut? You can do it in just a few simple steps using the AI image generator. This feature lets you turn your ideas into anime artwork directly from your phone. Let me show you how. First, open CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap Edit. Then go to AI generator. After that, select AI image. Now tap the prompt box and enter your idea. For example, you can type something like anime girl with cinematic lighting and cherry blossom background, or anime boy standing in a futuristic neon city at night. Next, choose the AI model you want to use. You can also select the aspect ratio depending on your content. For example, 9 to 16 for TikTok or Shorts, or 16 to 9 for YouTube videos. You can also adjust the image resolution for higher quality results. Once everything is ready, generate the image and wait a few moments. CapCut will process your prompt and create an anime-style AI image automatically. You can then preview, save, or continue editing the image. This makes it easy to create creative anime artwork without drawing skills, and that's how to create anime AI images in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.